Does using ChatGPT require coding or technical expertise? Absolutely not. You don't need to worry about coding or having technical expertise to make the most of ChatGPT. It's designed to be user-friendly and accessible to everyone, including beginners in the field of affiliate marketing. Let me break it down for you in a way that's exciting, involved, and downright enthusiastic. Picture this: you're a marketer, eager to leverage the power of artificial intelligence to enhance your affiliate marketing game. You've heard about ChatGPT and its incredible capabilities, but you're a bit concerned that it might require coding skills or technical know-how. Well, fear not. Using ChatGPT is a breeze, even for those without a background in coding or advanced technical expertise. You see, there are amazing platforms and tools out there that have been specifically developed to simplify the interaction with ChatGPT. These platforms provide user-friendly interfaces that make it a joy to engage with the model. They understand that not everyone is a coding whiz, and they've gone the extra mile to ensure that beginners can dive right in without feeling overwhelmed. Imagine logging into one of these platforms and being greeted with a sleek and intuitive dashboard. You'll discover a variety of pre-built templates and simplified workflows at your fingertips. These templates are like treasure troves, ready to be unlocked with a simple click. They guide you through the process of engaging with ChatGPT, allowing you to effortlessly generate engaging content, brainstorm new ideas, and seek guidance on various aspects of your affiliate marketing journey. Let's bring this to life with an example. Say you're an affiliate marketer in the fashion niche, and you want to create compelling product descriptions for a line of trendy clothing items. With ChatGPT and the user-friendly platform, you can simply select the content creation template tailored for fashion marketing. The template will prompt you with specific questions about the clothing items, target audience, and desired tone. As you engage with ChatGPT through the platform, it will generate captivating product descriptions that highlight the unique features, benefits, and style of each item. Voila! You've got yourself enticing product descriptions without breaking a sweat or writing a single line of code. But it doesn't stop there. These platforms often come packed with additional features and functionalities that amplify your experience. You can fine-tune the generated content, customize it to align with your brand's voice, and iterate until you're satisfied. You're in the driver's seat, collaborating with ChatGPT to create content that captivates your audience and drives conversions. So, the bottom line is this: you don't need to be a coding genius or possess technical wizardry to harness the power of ChatGPT. The platforms and tools available to you have your back, providing an immersive and seamless experience. They empower beginners like you to engage with ChatGPT effortlessly, unlock its potential, and elevate your affiliate marketing endeavors to new heights. Now, isn't that exciting? The world of AI-powered content creation is at your fingertips, waiting for you to unleash your creativity and seize the opportunities that lie ahead. Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey where you'll transform ordinary content into extraordinary masterpieces, all with the help of ChatGPT and the user-friendly platforms that bring it to life. Click the link below to begin using ChatGPT with affiliate marketing to speed up and improve marketing strategies. Thanks for watching. Tell us how you are using ChatGPT in the comments.